Assalamu alaikum dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing fine and enjoying your summer holidays. Dear students, today we will learn about number 3. Number 3. First of all, you have to write date in the date section, and then you have to read, trace and write number 3. Number 3. Here we have 3 apples. 3 apples. Do you like apples? Let's count with me. 1, 2, 3. 3 apples. And then you can also count on your fingers. 1, 2, 3. 3 fingers. And here we have 3 stars. Let's count 1, 2, 3. Dear students, now let's try to write number 3. 3 is like round and round. In the first line, you have to trace number 3 and then you try to write it by yourself. Okay. The other number is number 4. Number 4. 4 is like sitting on a chair, and here we have 4 mangoes. Do you like mangoes? Yes, mango is king of fruit. We all like mangoes. Let's try to count it. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 mangoes. And you can also count 4 on your fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. And here are stars. Let's count stars. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stars. Dear students, now let's try to write number 4. 4 is like sitting on a chair. First of all, you have to trace number 4 and then you try to write it by yourself. Thank you.